In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple time zones in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning meetings across different regions or simply want to keep track of what's happening in another part of the world, knowing how to easily manage multiple time zones in your calendar is a handy skill. First things first, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to the Google Calendar website. Once you're there, simply click on the first result that appears. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar login page. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you're using the email associated with your Google Calendar account, then click Next. After that, it's time to enter your password. Once you've typed it in, go ahead and click Next again to proceed. Now that you're logged into your Google Calendar, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll notice a small cog icon. That's the settings icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Here you'll find a wide array of options to customize your calendar. In the Settings menu, locate and click on the option labeled Time Zone. On this page, you'll see your primary time zone already set. To add an additional time zone, you'll need to enable the option to display secondary time zone. This is especially useful if you frequently collaborate with teams in different parts of the world. Once the option is enabled, you'll see a new field appear for a secondary time zone. Click on the drop-down menu next to it to choose the time zone that best meets your needs. Whether you're coordinating with colleagues in New York, London, or Tokyo, this feature makes it easy to see all relevant times side by side. After you've selected your secondary time zone, make sure to click Save or simply navigate away from the settings screen. Your Google Calendar will automatically update to display both your primary and secondary time zones, allowing you to manage your schedule more effectively. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate multiple time zones into your Google Calendar, simplifying your daily planning processes. This feature is not only a time saver, but also a great tool to keep everything organized and ensure you never miss important events, no matter where they are in the world. So, that's it. Now you know how to view multiple time zones in your Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day, and happy scheduling!